My name is Kristen, and I'm with the Better Bladder Center here in Winter Haven with Dr. Gabriel, and I'm here with Elisa here today. Elisa, how did you find out about the Better Bladder Center?
I had been suffering with some symptoms for about a year that involved some back pain and feeling like I needed to go to the bathroom or urinate after I'd already been. And so I finally, some worsening symptoms and seeing various doctors and specialists in Tampa and Orlando, ended up at a clinic, an urgent care clinic in town, and they actually referred me here.
Perfect. How has this affected your life before coming to the program?
It was getting very frustrating. I have 4 children ranging in age from 17 to 2, so I have a really busy schedule. And I was not holding, at the time she was about 18 months, I was trying not to hold her, which is difficult. And I would get nervous about sort of standing because I felt like maybe that made my symptoms worse. But more than sort of changing my lifestyle, it just was frustrating. And you can see how people who really suffer with the symptoms and don't find any resolution or any help could, really feel depressed and just sort of like you suffer alone and nobody quite understands what you're going through.
So after therapy, how has your life been?
Well, it's been great because I really have seen a difference. The back pain is virtually gone, and Dr. Gabriel said, we're not sure why you have that pain, but if it's connected and this therapy helps it, that's fabulous, and it obviously has. And the feeling like I need to go, I don't experience that. And so it's just taken a weight off that there are options to help what I was dealing with that don't involve surgery, that are non-invasive, and that I can continue on my own.
And what do you do currently to stay healthy?
I do the exercises, the Kegels, and the things that were recommended at the clinic. And I also do some extra exercises that are specifically for pelvic floor rehabilitation. And so I'm working on that to work back into sort of my regular workout routine.
Perfect. Why do you think women do not want to seek help and or talk about it?
It's a tough topic for as sexually aware as our society is. It's kind of odd that you feel like you can't really talk about, little personal issues if I feel like I need to urinate or I sneeze and I dribble or it seems kind of odd to me, but once you've had 4 children, it's sort of like, I could pretty much talk about anything. So I think it needs to be talked about, and women need to be made aware that lots of us suffer and you have options.
Perfect. Well, is there anything else you'd like to add? Any comments or questions or?
I think just, try to really read and understand what pelvic floor health is all about and educate yourself so that you know questions to ask, and visit the Better Bladder Clinic because it was a really great thing for me, and I'm so glad that I was referred here.
Well, thank you so much for stopping by and visiting with us.
Thank you.